My customer noticed water loss in their pool. After performing a standard leak detection, I had determined the leak was in the trunk line surrounding the pool. I backed up suspicions using a static pipe test, with the strongest pull being found at a return fitting on this side of the pool. This, however, meant between these two fittings, somewhere in the pipe, repairs needed to be made. I inserted my push mic from LeakTronics. The push mic is able to corner inside the pipe even with its small diameter and has both a powerful hydrophone on the end of it for hearing where the leak is at its loudest point and a flash head that's going to allow me to find where the mic head is when I'm on the leak. I used my LT1000 amplifier first to hear the leak, and in fact it was a screamer. I detached the LT1000 and plugged in my flash driver, sending a 512 Hz signal to the flash head on the push mic. As the signal pulsed, I used my flash stick to scan the area around the pool and located its exact location, just a few feet from where I put the push mic into the line. I marked the area where repairs would be made, and I was able to cut a small section of the deck to repair the pipe and put the pool back into a leak-free service. Learn more about the push mic, the flash driver, and all of the equipment I use to perform leak detections at www.leaktronics.com.